Check the integrity of the packaging. Open the packaging and take out the equipment and accessories inside. Raise the equipment to a height equal to or slightly higher than the water tank. Unpack the power cord and connect the power supply. Attention! For countries that require the use of transformers, please connect the power cord to the transformer socket. Link the inlet pipe. Do not tighten the inlet pipe too tightly to prevent the rubber ring from deforming and causing water leakage. Link the circulating water outlet pipe. Do not tighten the water outlet pipe too tightly to prevent the rubber ring from deforming and causing water leakage. This is the state where the inlet and outlet pipes have been installed. Next, water should be supplied to the equipment. The red switch shown in the diagram must remain closed. The poured solution should be 1 to 2 centimeters above the water outlet shown in the diagram. As shown in the diagram, the column for placing the cathode bucket should be kept dry during the water intake process. If there is any liquid, it needs to be wiped clean. Turn on the switch and the device will automatically start. Turn on the water inlet switch and the device will automatically suck in the solution and circulate it. Load the cathode barrel and tighten the nut. Click the stirring button and the device will start electrolytic refining. The voltage and current can be adjusted through the control screen. Installation completed. Be careful. 1. After the extraction is completed, turn off the power and the solution will automatically flow back into the water tank. 2. The switch shown in the diagram has already been set at the factory and should not be operated under normal circumstances. 3. With the provided metal wrench, the nut can be easily loosened, making it convenient to remove the cathode copper.